Every mistake is a lesson, but not everyone learns from it. A shipper proved that. The doorbell camera recorded the funny and sad scene of a delivery man who was too hasty. The steps in the lobby were slippery, but he was not careful and fell. He lay there for a while and was in a lot of pain. After a while, he was back to normal, continued to deliver, and packed up to leave. But the unexpected happened when everyone thought that he must have learned his lesson after being in so much pain. Oh no, he fell a second time. It was really pitiful to see him, but I couldn't help but laugh out loud at the situation. What do you think of this situation? Everyone, please be more careful.